Tired of your Honeywell thermostat ignoring your settings? Let's get auto mode back on track. First, let's double-check that your thermostat actually supports auto mode. Some Honeywell models only let you pick heat or cool, not both at once. If you see auto mode but it's not working, start with a simple reset. Take the thermostat off the wall and remove the batteries for about a minute. Put them back in and see if auto mode returns. Still stuck? Go into your thermostat's settings menu. Look for System Mode or Settings. Make sure Auto is selected and that your heating and cooling set points aren't too close together. Try setting them at least 3 degrees apart. If your thermostat still won't switch automatically, the issue might be with your wiring. Only check this if you're comfortable. Otherwise, call a pro. Turn off power at the breaker, remove the thermostat, and make sure the wires are connected and labeled correctly. If you've tried all these steps and auto mode still won't work, it might be time to contact Honeywell support or consider an upgrade. And that's it. With these easy checks, you'll have your Honeywell thermostat switching between heat and cool like it should. Stay comfortable year-round.